In this video, we are going to learn about functions as used in C. What is a function? A function is a self-contained block of code that performs a specific task. You can think of a function this way. Imagine you want to make a sandwich. The recipe is like the function. The ingredient of your sandwich is like the input of your function, followed by a set of instructions. After the instructions are performed, you end up with a sandwich output. Mathematical calculations. Functions are extensively used in applications that involve mathematical calculations, such as engineering, physics, finance, and scientific research. Graphics and image processing. In computer graphics and image processing applications, functions are used to manipulate and transform images. Functions can describe color adjustments, filtering operations, and geometric transformations applied to images. Website development. In web development, functions are used to handle various tasks such as data validation, form processing, and database interactions. Game development. Functions are fundamental in game development for tasks such as character movement, collision detection, rendering, and animation. Automation and control systems. Functions are integral to automation systems and control systems. In industrial automation, functions help control processes, monitor sensors, and regulate machinery. Now let's look at why we have to use functions in programming. Reusability. Once your function is defined, it can be used multiple times, therefore saving you time to write the same code repeatedly. Readability. Functions improves the readability of your code. Functions are like containers for complicated tasks or plans in your program. They help you look at your program from a distance, showing the big picture, without getting into all the nitty-gritty details of each task. It's a way to keep things organized and make your program easier to understand. How to write a function. Start with #include stio.h. This line includes the standard input-output header file, which is necessary for using functions like printf and scanf. Followed by function declaration, which consist of data type / return type, function name, and inputs or parameters. Remember the sandwich example explained earlier, that parameters are like the ingredients needed to make a perfect sandwich. Here is an example where we make a function that calculates the sum of two integers. This block of code defines a function named addNumbers. It takes two integer parameters, x and y, adds them together, stores the result in a variable named sum, and then returns the sum. This function is designed to add two numbers. Inside the main function, int result equals addNumbers, 10, 20. Declares an integer variable named result and assigns it the result of calling the addNumbers function with arguments 10 and 20. The next line prints the result of the addition using printf. The format specifier %d is used to print the value of the integer variable result. The message the sum of 10 and 20 is also printed. Return 0 indicates that the program has executed successfully, and the main function returns 0 to the operating system. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.